Ever seen the Frenzy Spin Happy Jackpot app, promising big rewards just for spinning a wheel? It looks fun and flashy, but is it actually legit or just another scam in disguise? Let's break it down. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on research and personal opinion. There is no official Trustpilot reviews or Reddit discussions available at the time of this recording. Frenzy Spin Happy Jackpot markets itself as a game where users can win cash by spinning a wheel. But here's the catch: there's barely any online presence, no real articles, no solid reviews, and almost no Reddit discussions anywhere. That's a major red flag. Apps like this often lure people in with big payouts and flashy visuals. But once users hit the so called withdrawal limit, they're asked to watch endless ads, or the payment suddenly fails to process. This pattern is common in many fake money making apps. With almost zero credible information online and no real user feedback, Frenzy Spin Happy Jackpot seems highly suspicious. If it were truly paying out real money, people would be talking about it. So for now, it's best to consider this app likely fake and not worth your time. Save your time and data. If you've tried this app and had a different experience, drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more honest app reviews.